Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. Me and my grown-up son, he's 23, he still lives with me. He's saving up a deposit for his own place. He works full-time and he gives me money towards the bills and shopping because I live on a very low income. I live on a teacher's pension, which is less than £300 a month. I cashed it in about 3 years ago, and to top up my money I've been selling my clutter online because I want to downsize, and also the little bits I make on YouTube as well. So I used to go to Home Bargains every week. Now I only go once a month to get all the essentials and bits and bobs while I'm there. And because I'm trying to cut back, so we're down to about £2.50 for food, for toiletries, and our pet stuff, because we've got a pretty black cat, a fatty little bulldog, an English bulldog, British bulldog, and an elderly goldfish. So the pet stuff's included in that. So that's pet food, pet biscuits, cat litter, all that sort of thing are included, treats. So we've got it down to £2.50. I'm lucky I'm mortgage free. We sold our house in 2019 and it all went through in 2020, just before COVID kicked off. So we're going to downsize again. So I just want a 1-bedroom place, because this place has got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 living rooms. It's just going to be too big for me on my own to manage, clean, tidy up, paint, renovate, whatever. I just want a little 1-bedroom place. So yeah, so I'm slowly fixing the house up, so that's why I've got a few little bits of DIY materials. I like to pick them up from Home Bargains because they're a good price, and some other bits of bobs, toiletries and stuff. So I'll show you now, because I've been rambling on. I spent £36.77. There's a couple of items missing. They didn't have the soap that I wanted, and they didn't have the cheapy washing up liquid like they did last time. But never mind, you can't get all the bargains all the time, can you? So I've been buying these storage tubs. They're only little ones, 7-litre ones, to put in my kitchen cupboards, because I've decluttered that one and these two here. So they're practically empty, apart from having one tub in, because last time I was in Home Bargains I picked up one tub. So I'm just using them for storage, like toiletries and stuff like that, and householdy stuff like washing up liquid and things. So I've picked up another 2 today. They were £1.99 each. I also picked up a fleecy blanket. This was £2.99, brand new, because I'm going to do some crafting with that. So I think that's a good price for a blanket. I picked my son up a hat. It's a thermal one, and they're only £2 because he needed a new one. What else did I get? I got a bag of lollies, because me and my grown-up son, we like to watch things together every now and again, and when we do, I always get like a bag of sweeties or something, because we're both big pair of kiddies. I like to have a little munch on something, like we're at the cinema, but we're in the house. The only TV in the house is in my bedroom. My son's got a computer and all that. I just got the telly upstairs, because I prefer it to be up there. So when I go to bed, because I go to bed handy, I like to watch the telly in bed. I got some calcium and vitamin D tablets. These are only 99p. I also got some Flu Max tablets in case one of us catches a cold again, because before Christmas I actually got the flu and I was ill for a good 2 weeks, and it's taking me weeks to sort of get back on my feet, because I just wiped my house. So I always like to have extra tablets in the house in case one of us is ill, because my son works in an office and he's often coming home with a cold, because you know what it's like in a confined space, you end up picking up all kinds. I got 2 packets of antihistamines. These are for my dog, because she's got itchy skin and she's got cherry eye, but she can't because she's a bulldog, so it stops her feeling lousy. And these are only 79p each. I got some toothbrushes. These are only 79, so I think that's a good deal for a couple of toothbrushes. I bought my hair stuff because I usually do it about every 3 months. I was going to do it before Christmas, but I never got round to it because I was ill. The little bottle stuff, let's have a look. Yeah, the little bottle is £1.39. That's the peroxide that activates it. Where's the actual thing? What is it? Can't find it. Oh yeah, powder bleach. So the bleach comes in sachets. Just show you. So it comes in a sachet like that, and you mix it with the peroxide. So what's good about these boxes is there's a few of them there. I think there's three or four in there. So it does me a few times. So next time I need to do my hair, all I need to do is a little bottle of that. So that was £3.29 and the peroxide was £1.39. So basically round a fiver odd. And like I said, I've got more there for next time, which is much cheaper than going to the hairdressers. And I just trim the ends myself, because it's a great way of saving money, because my hair is naturally greasy at the roots, so it's a great way of drying my hair up. And I'm very pale, so when I've got my normal brown hair, people always ask me constantly, am I ill? And I go, no, I'm just pale. So that was one of the reasons why I dye it blonde, and sometimes I throw a toner on when the mood strikes. I've got some more filler because I'm painting and decorating at the moment, so I needed more filler, and this is a great price and it's good. £1.49. I got this grab adhesive because I'm currently putting tongue and groove up in the bedroom, in the middle bedroom for my son, and that was only £1.29, so I thought that was good. I got these sheets for my son, for my dog, for my son, I was really going to say then. Got these from the dog. Where's that? I think they were £1 something. Probably right in front. Yeah, £1.49, but there's a load in there, so she'll just get one at one per day. I like these doggy bags because they're big and they're thick and they're only 59p. I got some potatoes because I was there, I seen them, because I'm going to make some jacket potatoes. They were £1.29, I think. I got Fox's biscuits. These are 75p, so my son puts them in his pocket and brings them to work. I was absolutely chuffed because they had me coffee in. These are £1.49. So I grabbed 4. There was loads there today, so I didn't mind grabbing 4, because if there's only a few, I won't grab them all, because I always think there's other people who want it as well. But because there was loads there today, I thought, oh great, I'll get 4. Got myself a fruity cake, because why not? The butter was a good price. It was £1.69, so I thought, right, I'll get that. And the toothpaste was £89, so I got 2 of them. So altogether, I spent £36.77, so I'm happy with that. Lots of stuff that I needed, lots of stuff for storage, and a little bit for crafting, the £2.99, and some medis and DIY materials. That's what I love about Home and Bargain. They have a wide variety of stuff. So there you go. Please like, share and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you could be so kind, could you leave us a comment or a thumbs up, as this lets the YouTube algorithm know that I exist. And I hope to see you soon.